Hi friends, welcome back my channel Easy English. Today's topic is God is everywhere. Listen carefully then repeat after me. God is everywhere. There is no place without God. God is there in everything in this world. He is found in every human being. He is present in every animal and plant. So he is called omnipresent. God is all-seeing. He can see everybody and everything. God is all-hearing. He can hear everybody. You cannot hide anything from God. God is happy if you are happy. God is happy if you do good to others. God is happy if you do the right. But God is unhappy if you are not happy. God is unhappy if you are not good to others. God is unhappy if you do not do the right. He is like your father and mother. They feel happy if you are happy. But they get angry with you if you are not good or kind. They scold you if you are not right. But your parents forgive you if you feel sorry for your wrongs. God also forgive you if you are sorry for your wrongs. God is always with you. He is always in you. So you cannot forget him. You remember him always. If you remember God, you will always do good. You will never do bad. You will never be unkind to others. So God is your best guide. He will guide you always on the right path. So pray to God when you take up anything. Always remember God. God will remember you.